The suffix ful means full of or having the quality of. When you add ful to the end of a word, it tells us that something has a lot of that quality. This simple ending helps us make many new words in English. Ful means full of or having the quality of. It adds the idea that something possesses a quality in abundance. Think of it as saying a person or thing has plenty of that special characteristic. Beautiful means full of beauty. Careful means full of care. Useful means full of use or very helpful. Helpful means full of help. These words all show having lots of a good quality. Wonderful means full of wonder. Painful means full of pain. Peaceful means full of peace. Powerful means full of power. Each word shows abundance of its root quality. Joyful means full of joy. Thankful means full of thanks or gratitude. Skillful means full of skill. Cheerful means full of cheer or happiness. These describe positive qualities in abundance. Harmful means full of harm. Faithful means full of faith or loyalty. Fearful means full of fear. Playful means full of play. FUL works with both positive and negative qualities. FUL means full of plus quality. The pattern is root word plus FUL. Examples are beautiful, helpful, joyful. Use it to describe abundance of any quality.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.